So you might be in a situation where for some reason Facebook just keeps telling you that there's an invalid username or password for your particular Facebook account. So if you're going through and literally just going into Facebook like this, you might be seeing that either your login, username is bad or your password is bad, and you might be trying to figure out what's going on. Now, the first reason and the main reason why something like this could end up happening for the most part is because you're just typing in the wrong username or you're typing in the wrong password. It's very, very basic. So for literally this specific thing, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and basically just make sure you're typing in the right information, because if your information is wrong, that's basically going to be the first place to start. So retype your email, your username, or your phone number, and you want to retype your password, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem for the most part. Now, let's say that doesn't end up fixing it. The next thing you're going to want to do is you can follow these next couple panels. You can either do forgot password or forgot username or forgot email or whatever. So in this case, you can click forgot password, and the next page is going to go ahead and ask you whether you want to go ahead and find your account via the particular phone number or from your email instead. You're going to have one or the other. If you don't have either one, then you're not going to be able to access the account. So just kind of keep that in mind. But if you are able to access the account, then you're going to be able to do that from here. So you can tap on mobile phone number and you can go and search it there, or you can search on email instead, and you can find it this way. Now, if you do this and this is still not working, you can try updating your Facebook application from your app store. So you can try going into your app store like this, and you can try going through and seeing if there's an update available, which there very well might be. So that's another thing you can try doing. And if that's still not working, you can always try going into your particular internet browser, whatever you have, and you can try typing in something like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of these types of websites, which will basically show you what's up and what's down. And from this particular website is Facebook. If Facebook is down, you're just going to have to wait it out until they fix the problem. So those are basically the main ways to go and fix these problems. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.